In this lecture, you're going to explore an essential building block of Microsoft Entra Entitlement Management, the catalog. By the end of this session, you'll understand what a catalog is, why it matters, how to use it, and how it fits into your access governance strategy. You can think of a catalog as a container or folder where you organize your access packages. It helps you group resources and define who can manage and request access to those resources. Instead of scattering access packages all over the place, you use catalogs to keep things structured, scalable, and secure. When you create a catalog, you're essentially saying, "These are the sets of resources and rules I want to manage together." When you set up a catalog, the first thing you'll add is one or more access packages. These are bundles of permissions that users can request, containing everything from group memberships to application access. Think of them as pre-packaged access sets that make it easier to manage what users get and under what conditions. Next, you'll include resources. These might be Microsoft 365 groups, teams, SharePoint sites, enterprise apps, or specific roles that users need to do their job. By including these resources in your catalog, you're making them available to be assigned through access packages. You'll also define policies that determine how the access process works. These policies control who can request access, what kind of approval process should be followed, whether any justification or ticket number is needed, and how long access should last before it expires or needs review. You're not limited to just one catalog. You can create multiple catalogs, each tailored to a specific business unit, department, or partner scenario. This keeps your access structure clean and helps you delegate management responsibilities without overlapping or confusion. You decide who gets to manage a catalog. As the Identity Governance Administrator, you can delegate catalog owner permissions to other users. This means teams or departments can manage their own access packages and workflows without giving them global admin access. By using catalog owners, you're decentralizing access governance, but still keeping oversight. When should you use multiple catalogs? If you're working with multiple departments or business units, each with their own set of resources and access needs, creating separate catalogs allows each team to manage their own access packages independently. This empowers teams while keeping your governance structured and decentralized. When you need to separate internal users from external users, multiple catalogs make it easy to apply different policies. For example, you might require stricter approval processes or shorter access durations for external partners compared to internal employees. You should also consider multiple catalogs when you want to apply different levels of control or delegate ownership. By assigning catalog owners, you can let specific users manage access packages within their own catalog, without giving them broader administrative access across the entire system. Ultimately, using multiple catalogs helps you scale entitlement management efficiently. You'll avoid confusion and overlap while giving different parts of your organization the flexibility to manage access in a way that fits their needs. Each catalog keeps access packages isolated from others. That means only users with the right permissions can view or modify the catalog's content. It's a great way to protect sensitive configurations while still empowering business units to manage access efficiently. Let's say you're managing IT access across 3 departments: HR, Finance, and Engineering. You can create 3 separate catalogs, one for each department. Then you assign HR managers, finance leads, and engineering admins as catalog owners. Each group manages their own access packages, workflows, and policies, all within their own sandbox. Catalogs are more than just containers. They're your organizational structure for access governance. They help you keep access clean, decentralized, and manageable. Once you've set them up properly, the the rest of entitlement management becomes easier to maintain and scale. So, what's your key takeaway? Catalogs make it easy for you to organize access packages and group related resources in one place. Instead of mixing everything together, you create a clean structure that keeps things manageable and easy to navigate. You can also delegate catalog ownership to different teams or individuals. This supports decentralized governance, allowing others to manage their own access needs without giving them broad administrative privileges across your entire environment. When you need to separate business units, manage different access scenarios, or handle partner access, using multiple catalogs is the smart move. It helps you tailor governance to different needs while keeping everything clear and well contained. Catalogs bring structure, security, and clarity to your access lifecycle. They reduce complexity and help ensure that only the right people have access to the right resources at the right time. Now that you understand how catalogs work, you're ready to start creating and managing them with confidence inside Microsoft Entra Entitlement Management.